Today, I'm teaching you guys how to full cab. Alright, for the full cab, you want to be able to half cab. That's about all the tricks you need to know. For this trick, once you're doing half cab, pivoting on your front foot, you get that last one. Time for the full cab, run over your front foot, pretty much like an ollie, with a little tilted behind the bolts, and your back foot just like a half cab, and an ollie. You want to line up your shoulders just like you do for half cab. When you're going about right here, about 190. You want to land on your front truck, get that last pivot. So it'll be a full cab, so if not, it'll be a half cab. That's about it. Alright, here's a few mistakes that people usually do when they're trying to land this trick. Just like that. You're not landing on the front of it, you get that great pivot. And you probably have a lot of things on do that. Now here are a few examples. And that's how you full cab.